Students, let's start with basic information about NATA that you must know and what are the major changes which has happened this year in NATA 2020. I am sure if you consider these changes for your preparation, then you will score highest marks in the exam. NATA, it is also known as National Aptitude Test in Architecture. NATA started in 2006. NATA is conducted by NIASA, which is a body of Council of Architecture, New Delhi. NATA is most significant national level exam for admission in BIAC. NATA happens twice in a year in a 1 month of interval. Till last year, first exam of NATA used to happen in month of April and second exam used to happen in month of May. But this year, because of COVID-19 situation, NATA exam keep on delaying. And the latest update which we have received by Council of Architecture, first exam of NATA is happening on 29th of August and second exam most probably will be happening second or third week of September. But yes, till now Council of Architecture has not been finalized the second date of exam. They will be disclosing the date very soon. In the latest brochure, Council of Architecture, they have also mentioned that student this year in NATA 2020 can appear in the exam from their home. If you are appearing from your home, according to the PDF, page number 4 and page number 5, you should have some facilities like laptop, PC, microphone, webcam, and definitely a good internet connection. But in case if you do not have these facilities, then Council of Architecture has also given a provision that student can go to the council allotted center and they can appear in the exam from the test center. Examination schedule is same as previous. First phase of exam is aptitude test and second phase of exam is drawing test. So this year both are going to be online based exam. Students are free to attempt either both exam or any one of them. But NATA scorecard is valid only for the same year in which you appear in the NATA exam. For example, if you appear in NATA 2020 year, then you can only take admission in 2020 session. You can't take admission in 2021. Now let's focus on some major changes which has happened in NATA this year. Because of the COVID-19 situation, Council of Architecture has decided that Part A, drawing test, also going to be online. Till last year, Part B only used to be online and for Part A, you used to draw on the paper. But this year, because of the COVID-19, Part A and Part B are going to be online based test. Another change which has happened this year that student can appear in NATA from their home. About this information we have already discussed in previous slides. Another change which has happened this year that NATA will be conducted in 2 sessions, morning and afternoon session. Morning session will be from 10 to 12 and afternoon session will be 12:30 to 2:30. You can be allotted in any of the session, either it can be morning and it can be afternoon. But your session will be dependent on the number of students who are registering from your city. So if the number of students exceed according to the range which has been decided by Council of Architecture, then in your city there can be 2 sessions. But in any city, if the number of students who are registering for NATA are less, then it can be only 1 session. So that will be totally dependent on number of students registering from the respective city. About rules and regulations, if you appear from home, we have already discussed in previous points. Another important change which they have clearly mentioned in the updated brochure that Part A you will have preferential type of question and multiple choice type of question that need to be answered on PC or laptop. Till last year, MCQs were asked from maths in your aptitude section, Part B, but this year they have also considered physics and chemistry. So MCQs will be asked from PCM, all 3 subjects. Number of question has also been changed in both part. However, total marks are the same. Now look at the change question paper format. Exam sequence is same like previous years. First you will start with aptitude test, which carries 75 marks, and first 45 minutes are given for this section. In aptitude, you have physics, chemistry, maths, general aptitude and logical reasoning. So from physics, chemistry, maths, 15 questions will be asked and it carries 1.5 marks each. So we can consider 5 from each section, means 5 from physics, 5 from chemistry and 5 from maths. In general aptitude and logical reasoning, total 35 questions will be asked and it carries the same weightage, 1.5 marks each questions. After part B, aptitude test, you will have 3 minutes of break and then you will start with part A, drawing. Part A, drawing, it is renamed as cognitive skills for drawing and visual composition test. Syllabus for this section has already been given in updated brochure of NATA. Online drawing part carries 125 marks and 72 minutes are given to solve this section. Students, this section carries highest marks. So if you prepare according to the typology of the questions which will be asked in the exam, then definitely this particular section will be very much simple for you. Now see typology of the questions. So total 10 questions will come in this section. First question is preferential type of question and it carries 17 marks. And you will have 12 minutes for answer this question. Next 3 questions is also preferential type of questions. You will have 12 minutes to answer each question and each question carries 16 marks of weightage. Last 6 questions are multiple choice based question and 10 marks is given for each question. You will have 4 minutes to answer each question. For more information related to NATA and syllabus, you can download the PDF from the given link. To qualify the NATA, minimum cutoff is 25%. So for section A, section B, in both sections, minimum 25% you have to score. According to the marks weightage, in section A, minimum 32 marks you have to score out of 125. And in section B, minimum 18 marks you have to score out of 75. If you do not score this much, then you will not be eligible for the admission in BA course. Now look at the difference between NATA and JEE Main BIAC paper. JEE Main BIAC paper is much more difficult compared to NATA, although the syllabus of both the exams are same. But if you look at the qualifying cutoff for both the examination, JEE Main paper does not have qualifying marks. They directly provide rank. But in NATA exam, you have to clear both the sections. From JEE Mains BIAC paper, admission actually based on rank, but in NATA, the admission is based on the score. JEE Mains offers centralized counseling. For admission, NATA doesn't have any centralized counseling system. From JEE Mains BIAC paper, you can take admission in IITs, NITs, IIITs, etc. And from NATA, you can take admission in all the NATA score accepting colleges.